right, guys, what you're about to see right now, it's the mess that I have in my bedroom. You can see in the back the bed that it's not made. I just got off from work. It's a little bit over, what time is it? It's about to be 3. The kids are still in school. Ivan is here because he gets out early as well. But after doing all the DIYs and focusing on other things, I always put my bedroom at the end as usual. And we always wash the clothes, and because we don't have any couches on the upstairs living room or an area in the laundry room where we can fold the clothes, they always put the clothes in my bed. So by the time it gets dark, like, the only thing that I want to do is just go to bed. So we always throw everything on the floor, and let me show you guys. Okay, didn't make my bed in the morning. I was doing so good of doing my bed last week, and somehow after Sunday I do my bed, but just through the surface. I need to wash those blankets and all the bedding, but look at that. That it's clean. That it's trash from my closet, because I've been trying to declutter my closet. Iron that Xavier uses whenever he needs his clothes ironed, that it's clean. I think that's dirty. And all of this, it's between dirty and clean. And then the kids come to my bathroom, take a shower, and always leaves the towels on the floor. Now, this is my other mess. I always try to do my makeup somewhere else, and the only area that it's a little bit more light and more brighter, it's in the bathroom. And actually right now it's really cloudy. You guys can see how it's a little bit dark right now. I really want to clean this room because sometimes in the morning I get up really tired, or I go to bed thinking that I know that my bathroom is dirty. And look at that. My hair. Yep, I shed hair like a dog. But yeah, guys, let's get this over with and let's see how long it takes me to clean the room. At least to take everything out. And I know that laundry, it's going to take me more than just a few hours because it's a lot of clothes. And I still have clothes in the living room. And I know that I have to wash the kids' clothes this time because they are doing okay, much better than I am, but not a lot because there's some clothes in here that belongs to them. So let's get to cleaning, guys. I'm gonna grab my hair first because it was wet from the morning and I can't clean with my hair all over my face. And then I'm gonna pick up all the clothes from the floor with my handy dandy hamper that I love so much. And you guys can see already the difference by picking up all the clothes from everywhere. And I thought that my room was more dirty, but it was just all the cluttered around the floor. And then I'm gonna put up my blanket onto the washer, that way it can start washing while I am cleaning, and hopefully by the end of the night it's clean, so that way we can go to sleep. At least my bedding has to be clean before we go to sleep. And then I'm going to start folding all the clothes that it was in the other container, the hamper next to my bed, and the one that was on top of the pillows, because it is clean. And usually the kids will come and pick up all their clothes, but because they didn't, now I have to separate it by sections. Like every kid has their own section, so that way they can just come and pick it up from my bed, and then they just can put it away in their proper place. I don't have any dressers, and I hang all my clothes. The only dresser, if you could call it a dresser, it's that white one in there that keeps all my socks, underwears, and bras and all that stuff. I am looking for a dresser this year. I am in a hunt for that. I don't want to invest in one that will get rid of it after a few years. I really want one that will stay with me at least more than a few years. And then after I put all my clothes in my closet, I'm going to start decluttering all my bathroom. Again, I feel that the room wasn't even dirty. It was just clutter everywhere. And it's not that I wake up late, because I don't. I wake up really early, but then I have to work on putting everything away right when I use it, because if I keep all my makeup brushes and my makeup stuff in the bathroom, then it start collecting all the dust. And that's why I am cleaning all my palettes and my makeup with my hand sanitizing wipes. I do keep one of those in my bathroom, that way I can clean. At least that's what I thought. I wanted to use it for whenever after I was done doing my makeup. But before I finish putting all my stuff away, I am going to be using this Bar's Keeper Friends bottle of Sprayed, and sprayed all the shower. That way it could start soaking while I am done putting all my stuff away. And you guys can see in here that I have my makeup vanity, but I hardly use it. It's really dark in the mornings when I get ready to work, or when I get ready for work, and I don't get a lot of light in my bedroom since I don't have any ceiling lights. I only have like the lamp, and so it's really dark. So that's why I always end up doing my makeup in the bathroom. And usually I will do my makeup in my bedroom, but only on the weekends, when I'm gonna go out, and I use my tall mirror that I have in my bedroom. But then I will continue putting everything away, and once I am done, I will be using the Bar's Keeper's Friend in here as well, and cleaning it out with the last few wipes that I had, the Clorox disinfecting wipes. I don't like the smell of the Bar's Keeper's Friends, but I guess it's kind of like the vinegar, that it will smell a little bit, and then after a few minutes the smell will go away. And that's how I feel that this is it. Like, it smell weird, but once you're done, or at least once I'm rinsing it out with the water, the smell will go away. I'm going to do the same with a toilet. I will be putting some of this scrubbing bubbles to soak it in while I start cleaning the mirror. This mirror, I have a love and hate relationship with it, because I like it because it's big and you get to see everything, but I hate it because it's all the way to the ceiling. And to clean it, I have to get up in here, and that way I can reach it out. And even though it doesn't get as dirty as the bottom part, but it gets really dusty. It's just a love and hate relationship. And then I'm just gonna be cleaning my toilet with the Clorox wipes wands. Those are disposable, and I like them. I did switch them last year because I still used to have like the old brush to clean the bathroom, but then after I switched it to this one, I feel that it made a big difference now, because at least you get to throw them away and you don't have to reuse them, and I feel that it's more sanitized. Now, to clean the shower, even though I did spray the Bar's Keeper's Friend spray, after it gets soaked, it kind of gets dry after a while if I don't clean it right away. So that's why I am spraying the Method shower cleaner. And the bubbles that you guys are seeing in here, it's the concussion between the shower one and the Bar's Keeper's Friend. And then I'm just gonna be cleaning it out with water, but because I don't have a sprayer hose, I have to use a container, or in this case a little plate, to clean it out or rinse it out. And then for the outside, I will be using it again, my Method shower cleaner. Now I do keep a little broom and this dustpan in the laundry room. This belongs to the laundry room, but because I do have areas that has to be broom, like this one and the kids' bathroom, it's more convenient for me to have it up here, and that way I can just use it. And you guys can see in here, I shed a lot of hair. If you guys have any remedies or any suggestions on what to take or what to use on my hair, because a lot of hair falls. Always I had that problem with my hair, and sometimes it's annoying that I kind of want to cut it, but then I love long hair, and I feel that if I cut my hair again, I will regret it, because I did that once a long time ago and I regretted it so much. So yeah, if you guys have any suggestions or ideas or remedies, let me know. And this is a mirror that I was telling you guys that I do use it whenever I am doing my makeup in my bathroom. Or not my bathroom, my bedroom. And then I'm just cleaning out my nightstands. I was really sad because my candle was gone. I guess I need to restock on them because I don't have any no more. And you guys can see that it's really, really late now. I know that I did start it before 3, which it was almost 3 o'clock, but I had to stop in between to go pick up the kids and then drop them off to practices, or not practices, because they wanted to go see the games. And so I had to stop in between. So this wasn't fast cleaning because it was going back and forth. But I was happy that by the time it was almost done, my bedding was clean. And be next to you beneath the stars. Give me one more chance, my love. Give me one more chance. Give me one more chance. I promise I'll try. Try to make you happy, be the best I can be. Oh, 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 oh. I'll do everything for ya. Ain't nothing that I wouldn't do, 'cause you deserve better than this. And I will try to fix it. Take me back into your arms. I wanna dance with you, my love, and be next to you beneath the stars. Give me one more chance, my love. Take me. All right, this is as much as I can do right now because I still have all my bedding in the dryer, and I'm still washing. I told you guys that I wasn't gonna be done in today's day, obviously, because it's not enough hours throughout the day, and I still have to go to sleep and get ready for tomorrow work and all that good stuff. So I hope you enjoy this video and that you got some motivation to clean or to just watch the video and enjoyed it, and with some coffee or popcorn. I always say popcorn because I love popcorn. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.